New Futuregreen, the patron of modern agriculture technology in Egypt. 100% Egyptian company, industrial leader in smart fertilizers, compound pesticides, and growth regulators. New Futuregreen contribute providing the need of the Egyptian, Arabian, and African market from fertilizers, pesticide, and seeds, finding the best and the most suitable solution for the different lands, from heavy lands, sandy lands, protected agriculture, and organic farming. All kinds of agriculture crops, from field crops, vegetables, and fruit trees. To obtain the highest level of productivity in order to achieve the optimal marketing quality for the Egyptian agriculture product, increasing production, reducing costs. Scientific and researcher team have been working for many years to achieve the difficult equation in providing several natural compounds which is safe to use, performing all the vital process that your land and farm needs to reach the best productivity. The password for this equation was the return to the nature in the production of many organics and biocompounds. Fertilizers and pesticides 100% safe on human health and preserve the Egyptian environment. Where these compounds are manufactured inside in our factory in Egypt in 6th of October city in accordance with international standards and European Union standards for organic agriculture and international standards for food safety, which are subjected to many efficient and the safety tests by specialized research centers under the supervision of the Ministry of Agriculture and the land reclamation before they are distributed to Egyptian, Arabian, and African markets. New Futuregreen aims to support the Egyptian farmer by providing safe and natural products that increase production and reduce costs. From here came the cooperation with the General Authority of the Agriculture Budget Fund through its outlets in all governorates of the Arab Republic of Egypt by signing a joint cooperation protocol. It aims to support our product in a way that ensures that they are easy to access farms at the lowest cost, which is contributed increased production and higher return for farm in the interest of agriculture and for the Egyptian economy, which contributes achieving sustainable agriculture developments. New Futuregreen provides all integrated solution which makes your land fertile, maintains your cultivation, increases your production, and reduces your expenses, with many safe natural compounds that help you to export in a healthy way, which you can choose from, improve the quality of your land, the quality of your farm, increases your income. New Futuregreen, proper nutrition, lower prices, more productivity, higher chances for exporting. New Futuregreen, a hand that builds and a hand that cultivates good for Egypt. New Futuregreen, the patron of modern agriculture technology in Egypt.